This year, ASUS has an updated version of its bread and butter ultra portable, the Zenbook 14X. But right now, alongside the revamped specs, I want to take a closer look at the brand new ceramic coating ASUS is using on the laptop's lid. The process used to create the coating is called PEO, or plasma electrolytic oxidation. The benefit of this coating is that it allows ASUS to add a lightweight but durable coating to the lid that's not only harder than traditional anodized aluminum finishes. Because the method doesn't require any strong acids or heavy metals during manufacturing, it's also more environmentally friendly. In person, the Zenbook 14X's ceramic finish feels great. It reminds me of the magnesium chassis Microsoft used on old Surfaces, except that it's even smoother and better at resisting fingerprints. The downside is that because this is the first time ASUS is using this process, the ceramic coating is only available in one color, sandstone. On the bright side, if you want something a bit more traditional, there's also a cheaper model with a standard aluminum finish. Other updates on the Zenbook 14X include a slightly larger 14.5-inch OLED touchscreen, a faster 120 Hz refresh rate, and a taller 16:10 aspect ratio. And of course, performance is also getting a bump thanks to new 13th gen Intel CPUs, support for DDR5 RAM, and even an optional RTX 3050 GPU from NVIDIA. ASUS is also adding faster Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, and with a slightly larger 70 watt-hour battery, I'm hoping we see a small boost in longevity too. Port selection also looks solid with 2 Thunderbolt 4 jacks, and when it comes to making video calls, there's a new full HD webcam, which is up from 720p on last year's model, with support for Windows Hello and dual mics with AI noise cancellation, so you should look and sound better during meetings. Now I know some of you might be disappointed that ASUS didn't find room for NVIDIA's newest 40 series mobile graphics cards, but considering that the Zenbook 14X weighs just a bit over 4 pounds and isn't really meant to be your main gaming machine, it's hard to be too upset. All told, between the new ceramic coating, the slightly larger display, and refreshed components, the Zenbook 14X is shaping up to be a pretty well-equipped and stylish notebook. I just hope other people like it too, because I'd really like to see ASUS expand those color options for the ceramic coating to something other than just sandstone. But that's it for now. For more at CES 2023, stay tuned to Engadget, and don't forget to throw us a like, comment, and subscribe for more.